Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Angola. And on the menu, Muamba de Galinha. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. All the goodies for the marinade. And the chicken is ready to go back into the cold box. And it's going to be in the cold box for the rest of the day. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The chicken goes first with the coconut oil. Then I add the onions and the garlic. Then I add the tomatoes and the jalapeno. Then I add the eggplant and butternut squash. Then I add the chicken broth. And it's going to simmer for about 15 minutes. Then I add the okra. And it's going to simmer for about 5 minutes. And here it is after the long simmer. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.